Good morning. It's already morning. If I check on my small phone, 7:14 a.m. Yeah, another day, another blessing, and we're happy, we are glad, and we give thanks to God for giving us another day. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Only Mawira, and I'm happy that you stopped by. So, guys, today I'm tagging along. There's a house that I'm going to do. It's within our compound, but it's not my construction. It's more my stuff. It's my auntie's stuff, my auntie's construction. So there's a little bit of wall scrubbing that I'm supposed to do, and that's what I want you to see. So, guys, it's already in the morning, so I'm going to put on my cap and then some gumboots. Yeah. So here are my gumboots. They are still muddy because I've been so busy. I've been working so hard. So I don't know. Maybe let me check something I have gotten in. Don't mind my floor. So it's good to be careful and check for anything. Yeah, so here we go. So I will come and wash the floor later after I'm done with the job that I'm supposed to do. So, guys, I have a series of events that I'm supposed to take today, so I'm trying to push time and to make sure like everything is done. That what I'm supposed to do, I'm trying to make it possible. Because even if I don't do it, I will still be the one who's gonna do it. So let's see how it goes. So I wanna go and wash my face right now. So that's our dog. It's called Junior. Hi, Junior. That's our dog. It's called Junior. So I want to wash my face over here. That's how we typically wash our face. And then as I was washing my face, I just discovered like there is some repairs which need to be done over here right now. So this place, the water is already messed up. So I'm supposed to connect so that, let me do it. So guys, I feel like the pipe is made so more so short. That's the reason, and the water has so much pressure. That's why it is disconnecting. So easy. It's making me lose my focus. You know what? Let me show you what I'm gonna do. This is what I'm gonna do right now. So guys, after a very long struggle, I've managed to repair the water. So it's not coming out from there, and it's good on here. There's so much pressure. Okay. Yeah. So back to our mission now. Back to our mission. But I will come later and cover this place. I need to work on this place. So I'm going to work on that place. So for those who don't know, these are pumpkin. This is a pumpkin plantation, and in our community, sometimes there's a food called mukimo, which is a combination of, it's a mixture of maize, beans, and some potatoes. And for you to make the food more tastier and have some different colors, we put this, which is not yet fully grown, so it's soft and easy to smash. Is it smash or mash? It's not easy to mash. So it's called the pumpkin. These are pumpkin leaves. Yeah. So we've been working on this. It's a studio. These are small rental houses for my auntie. So we've been working on this. We've been working on these are piping area for sewer system. All this line that you can see over here, that one going that way. So we've been working on this piping and stuff. So this is where I'm supposed to work today. I'm supposed to scrub the wall, and so that the wall can be painted. So this is a simple studio in the village. It's not for, the house is for commercial purpose, so it's just a simple studio. I'm trying to look for the key of the house. Here it is. Yeah, so I'm supposed to scrub this wall so that it can have an easy time for painting. Yeah, so there's the space, and then there we have I don't know if my light is that good. You can see the bathroom over there. So I'm not the mason. There's some mason who are coming to do that. So as for me, I'm gonna show you a little bit of what I'm going to be doing today. I had some sandpaper with me yesterday. I bought. So I bought this sandpaper for this job, purposely for this one. I'm just gonna cut. I hope it will be enough. So I'm going to cut a small piece. I don't know if you can see, but let me show you what I'm going to be doing today. This is what I'm going to be doing. Yeah, I'll be scrubbing the wall now. So much noise, right? Yeah, generally guys, this is what I'm gonna be doing today. So I'm gonna work, then I'll show you the final product. Stay tuned, and remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this channel. Thank you. Guys, the advantage of me is I am tall. Sometimes I don't even need a ladder. So I am able to touch this place. I am 6'3" tall. So I may not need a ladder. You know, some of you will laugh at me and ask, hey, Eric, how tall are you? It's not smooth. It's not smooth. Guys, I know the lighting is not good, but this was the final product of me scrubbing the wall. It's a bit smooth. It's not that soft, but it's a bit smooth. Yeah, so I did all that. It's still dusty. Can choke. Yeah, but I scrubbed it all. So there will be ceiling over here, and then the masons are here. They're gonna work on the floor. You see the floor is not in good state, so they're gonna work on the floor. But for now, I was just working on the walls, and I'm done. So the masons gonna work on the floor. So this is Mr. Njeru, top mason here. So super good. So guys, after a bit, after maybe an hour, I was able to complete the scrubbing of the wall. So the next thing that I'm gonna do, I'll come and scrub the windows and the door. But no, I'll not this time. I'm gonna wait for a minute because there's some work which need to be done over here. And then I'm gonna give the masons some room for them to work on the floor. Yeah, but as for now, thank you for watching the video. Kindly remember to subscribe and give me a comment there. Let me know what you think about the video, and I appreciate. Thank you for the support. Thank you for everything. God bless you. See you on the next one. We out.